Hello guys, I'm Sasha and you're watching Hot Your. Today here at Parley Hill Royal Treatment Nail Spa, I thought I would pamper my nails. With festive season just being around the corner, why do we have such boring nails? So I'm here with Karen. Karen, come along. Tell me a little about what kind of look you're going to give me today with my nails because I have really boring nails today.
Since it's a festive season, what we're going to do is we're going to give you some caviar nails and maybe some glitter, because without glitter, festive season's just boring.
Totally.
So here we have a full selection of colors that you can look at. We have a combination of glitters versus sequins, so it's not something that you can just do plain glitters. We have sequins as well, and in different color options, and you can try it on any base. We have 84 colors over here. We do glitters, shimmers, so you have lots to choose from.
Show me those, probably you have the samples here and I'll choose from there. Wow. Look at this.
Okay, here's the caviar nails. You can put it on any base that you like, any polish, any kind of polish, shimmer or creme finish, and you can put in any caviar beads possible. We have 47 different colors to choose from, so possibly you could go from the golds to the whites or maybe even a funky pink.
So I'm going to just sit here. You guys stay tuned and see what we are going to show you today. I think I have something very interesting here. She just introduced me to what is this exactly?
It's called a nail whitening paste. Basically, a lot of people, they tend to apply nail polish for too long or dark colors for too long, and then you get the yellow stains on your nails. Now, easier method to take it off is using this nail whitening paste. You come here, we brush it off of your nails, and you can see the results instantly.
Today you've introduced something very interesting to me. Let me just see how white my nails would look like in a couple of minutes. How will it stay for so long?
It stays long enough as long as you're careful with it, and a tip that you can use is when you're washing your hair, wear gloves.
Right.
So you're not damaging the tips.
I love my nails here. Thank you so much for this nail. And I'm ready to celebrate my Diwali with this beautiful nails.